Hi everyone, I'm Jeff. I'm new to the group. I don't live in British Columbia, but I am an air quality monitoring expert, and I do speak at air quality events, and I've been monitoring air quality since 2008 in New Delhi, India. I'm currently living in Switzerland. So the tool I wanted to show you, because I had been looking at some of the purple air information that someone shared on the group earlier, and I had not realized that you've got quite a few forest fires still going on, and this is what you can see here down in Kamloops and I believe Granby Provincial Park. We can see that the forest fires are still there. Up here in Prince George's County, still quite a few intense forest fires. But you can also see there's still hot spots here, and so these are, well, that's the city probably, but also people like here, they're burning firewood as well, right? And then all of this yellowish color here as well. So this tool, Earth, you see the website earth.nullschool.net. It's a lot easier to use than the NASA Worldview tool, although the Worldview tool is what I prefer to see fires. You just come down here and you can now choose particulates. I had ran into this tool that Cameron had only been doing winds back when I first saw this product, and I asked him if he could layer in PM 2.5 data, and he has added the European Space Agency Copernicus atmospheric monitoring satellite data. And how do we choose that layer? Well, we just come down here and we can choose chemicals or particulates. So ocean's going to give you ocean currents, chemicals. Currently he's got a few here. We can see some of the hot spots where the chemicals are sensed by the satellites. So gases, satellites can sense gases, NOx and SOx, and carbon monoxide and others. And here now we've chosen particulates, and I want PM 2.5. Okay, and now we can see that there are fires here, Kamloops, Prince George's County, and down here in Granby. So what can you do? Well, you can click on it to zoom in, but I think we're zoomed in is about as far as we get, recognizing this is satellite data. But you are able to see the winds, and if the winds are favoring you that day, or are the winds bringing that day. If they're easterlies, like they are here, they're bringing in quite a bit, and people are still suffering from the forest fires. I'll pause just a moment and show you the NASA Worldview tool. Okay, here I've loaded NASA Worldview. So NASA Worldview, I've pre-chosen the layers here. I've shared the link with you guys in previous posts, but of course everything scrolls down. But it's pre-configured, so if I send you this link in the group, you don't have to know all this other stuff here about, which satellite and what map and how to load. It's a little bit complicated. I've had a friend of mine from NASA show me how to do it originally. So the 28th isn't loading. We can see some fires, but on the 29th, the day is not finished, but we can see that there's still the forest fires, a few of them, and the smoke in between the valleys and ridges here of the mountains in Kamloops and down in Granby Provincial Park, and that's what we had been seeing before. So if I zoom out, we can see a little bit of Prince George's up here. There's still some fires going on up there, so you can see those plumes really well in Prince George's County. Sorry about jumping around on the video. Okay, but anyway, so what this is layered here is just showing us fire anomalies and thermal anomalies. There are other layers and things that you can do, but it's quite complicated. I'm going to pause real quick, and many of you know this. This is purple air. So here we can see Vancouver Island and British Columbia here. All right, that's all the time we have. Thanks for watching. Sorry about jumping around on the video.